Hello and welcome to my channel. In this quick video I will show you how can we fix a restart problem in your Galaxy phone or auto shutdown problem in your Galaxy. So let's start. For disassembly you can watch and search on YouTube disassembly video for your phone. So this phone not going to turn off, so I will disconnect LCD display and then take out SIM card trace. So we have opened the phone. Now let me disconnect its battery, then reconnect again and then connect to display. You can fix this problem for any phone, any Samsung phone. You can see phone is at restart screen, and now I will try to connect charger to check it. So if phone work well on charger, then it should be a battery fault. Let me power it on. Yes, it's a battery fault because phone is working well on connected charger, and restart again or turn off when we disconnect charger. So disconnect battery and let me change it. So here is old battery and this battery is for test. Let's see what happened. Now I am going to turn it on again. Let's see. I think phone should work now. As you can see, phone is working perfectly, and let me check on flash. go back and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel for future updates. Bye for now.